Hello student, here is the chapter number 3, Inheritance and Variations. Today we take the information about the chromosome, the structure of chromosome and then the ploidy concept. So see here the word first, chromosome. Here the meaning of a chromosome. Chromo means color and soma means body. This chromosome, this term comes from these two words, chromo, that means having the meaning, that is the colorful form, and soma means the body. The term chromosome first time discovered by the scientist W. Waldeyer in 1888. You all the students familiar with that chromosome location. Chromosomes generally present in eukaryotic organisms inside a nucleus. Eukaryotic organism possesses eukaryotic type of a nucleus, advanced type of a nucleus. So chromatin network is in the chromosomes always present in the form of a chromatin network. You familiar with the cell divisions. During the interphase, chromosomes are thin, elongated, thread-like network structure. And when the cell division start there, mitotic cell division start there. Mitosis cell divisions. First phase is a prophase, then metaphase, anaphase, and last one phase is a telophase. So during that second one phase, this long elongated thread-like structure due to the condensation and coiling, this chromosome now becomes short and thick. So they looking visible. So this is the structure, actual structure of a chromosomes appears during the metaphase. It mainly consists of two parts here. Here the central one rounded structure is known as a centromere. In the chromosome structure, this middle one part is known as a centromere. And a pair of chromatids. These chromatids also known as a arms of chromosome. So this is a simple one structure of a chromosomes. This chromosome become short, thick, distinct during the second one phase. Second one mitotic phase, that is the metaphase. So this is the structure, general structure of a chromosomes. Here the central one part is a centromere and this pair of chromatids or arms of a chromosomes held together with the help of this centromere. This chromosome mainly functions for the heredity and variation. It is present inside a nucleus. So naturally it consists of a genetic information, number of genes present on these chromosomes, and in such way that this chromosome helps in a heredity as well as variation. How it helps heredity and variations? What is the meaning of a heredity? That is the transmission of characters from one generation to the next generations, from parents to their offspring. Variations, there is a variable changes in between offspring and their parents. The chromosomes responsible for that variations. Chromosome is also responsible for the mutation. Sometimes sudden genetic changes may also occur there. So chromosomes also responsible for the mutation, variations, evolution. Some evolutionary characteristics may be developed into next one progeny. So these are the functions of a chromosomes. Chromosomes helps in inheritance, variations, expression of characters in next generation. It is also responsible for the recombinations, variations, mutations when the offspring produced in next one generation, because it is always present inside a nucleus and it consists of a genetic information. Then the composition of a chromosomes, how these chromosomes get composed here. It consists of a different kinds of a chemical composition. Basically, it consists of a DNA, that is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is the main heredity material in all eukaryotic organisms. So why? This chromosome is responsible for heredity and variations because major content of these chromosomes is made up of this DNA. Along with the DNA, this chromosome also consists of histone protein. Histone protein is required for the packaging of this DNA. So these are the compositions, basic compositions of a chromosome. DNA, histone protein, non-histone protein. Generally, this chromosome made up of such kind of a things here. It is main composition in chromosomes. The basic composition is of DNA. So why it is responsible for heredity as well as variation. So this is the general information about the chromosomes. Then